If the spine is our moral compass, we don't need to define it. We need to guide others to feel it again. Through self-activation and motivational interviewing, we help people reconnect with their inner alignment, restoring the courage to stand in their truth and make values-based choices that honor both self and community. We invite you to support an approach that draws on the wisdom of neuroscience and the lived realities of those healing from trauma and systemic oppression. At Grow Your Potential, we ground every participant in a care loop built on self-trust priorities, because our moral compass isn't something we teach, it's something we help people feel again. Activation, those moments when emotion and sensation meet, can be painful when the body doesn't feel safe. Without trust, the nervous system repeats injury. But with consistent practice, access, and support, we build the muscles of self-compassion, set healthy boundaries, and relearn connection. Healing isn't linear. It requires repair, it requires relationship, and it requires room for people to co-create safety on their terms. That's why we hold space where the game rules of dignity, clarity, and belonging are created together, not imposed. This is more than a program. It's a movement toward collective healing, and we hope you'll join us in resourcing it.